Hi there guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another unboxing and quick review video. Today, let's talk about the 1-72 scale Northrop F-5E Tiger II fighter from Hobbyboss. The F-5 is an American-built twin-engine light fighter. It is designed to fight for air supremacy, but can be also used in attacks on ground targets. The F-5 is appreciated for its high maneuverability, easy maintenance and low operation cost. Okay, let's check out the model. The model is from the year 2011 and belongs to the cheaper ones on the market. Its box includes an instruction manual, water slide decal sheet, markings and paintings manual, and two frames from a hard light gray plastic and one frame from clear plastic. The plastic molds look quite decent. It's not the best quality, but believe me, I have seen worse. I appreciate the manufacturer's effort for details and the negative engraving of the panels on the wings and fuselage. The landing gear detailing is a little bit basic, but with some work, it could be okay. I will upgrade it with some wires imitating hydraulic hoses for the brake system. The AIM-9B Sidewinder missiles look good. The cockpit details look also good. There are a few details missing, such as the throttle lever, landing gear and drag chute lever. The ejection seat is very basic. I will definitely upgrade the whole cockpit with some homemade scratch build. Let's check out the second plastic frame. There are some details in the landing gear shafts and the air brake shafts. It looks like hydraulics. I will study some photographs and upgrade them. The kit also includes a pilot figure, but it's not the best one, so not use for me. Next, we have the refueling probe, parts of the Mark 82 bombs with extended fuses, horizontal stabilizers, large fuel tanks, 4 underwing hardpoints, jet nozzles, and a resting hook and a vertical tail. There are also some visible details of the jet nozzles. The clear parts are without any scratches. There is an option for a closed and an open cockpit. Available are also 2 landing lights. The instruction manual is easy to read. Each work step is illustrated in details. For each step, there is also a guide to the specified color painting. Of course, it's for the best to study the instruction before you start with the build. There are options for adding some details. It depends on which aircraft you want to build. For such a small aircraft, the F-5 is pretty heavily equipped with weapons. I'm impressed. And here's the option for adding the refueling probe, closed and open canopy. The kit comes with 4 camouflage schemes. The first camo is from the Navy's VFC-13 Fighting Saints Aggressor Squadron. The second represents the Marine Fighter Training Squadron 401. On the bottom side of the manual is a color converter for the Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya and Hambro paints. The third camo represents the Brazilian Grupo de Caca F5 and the fourth is a Swiss 19th Squadron F5. The decal sheet looks very good. It includes decals for the cockpit, Mark 82 bombs, sidewinders, insignias, identification numbers and panel labels. I have very good experience with Hobbyboss decals and they are good quality. Alright, I hope you liked this short unboxing video. The kit looks quite good and with some special work it can be a very nice model of the F-5. I'm looking forward to build it in the near future. Thank you for watching guys and see you in another unboxing video. Bye.